welcome back to the channel. It is 4th of July weekend, and today we are heading out into the great open. We're hitting the trail. We're gonna head out there, cook up some glizzies on the Howl, make a couple boxes of, what are these? Goodles Chuddy Mac. We're gonna make those up for the kids, chill out for a little bit, enjoy the scenery. Then we are going to head back here to my house because the entire West Coast right now is on fire. We got some of these little sissy fireworks here. We're gonna set those off. All right, I switched the Osmo over to the low light feature. I've never used it really, so hopefully it doesn't look like shit. Like I said before, we got some Goodles. We got the best weenies on the market. Templars, Frank's, Bun Busters. Mac and cheese and some weenies. And today, we're using the hanger, and we're gonna cook these weenies over the Howl, because why not? Let's get the Howl ripping, dudes. All right, I switched it back to normal camera view instead of the low light on the Osmo. So if everything prior to this looks like shit, that's my bad. Looks a lot more natural now. Just earlier, for some reason, everything was like dark. I couldn't even see what was on the screen. It's a little burnt, but that's fine. That's okay. Status update. Kids got weenies, mac and cheese, Goodles. Coming out good. Great spot. It's been good. Let's head home. right, guys, we are done for the day. We set off our little baby fireworks. We hit the hills. We had dinner. Super good evening. Today's video is going to be a little shorter. I'm throwing it together really fast for you guys so you can check it out on 4th of July. Happy 4th, everybody. Happy 250th anniversary. Super kick-ass. I'll see you guys on the next video. Toodles.